YouTube friends. Tony back for a shave. Just a second. Well, back for a new shave with Stirling BASH. Amazing soap. And we are gonna lather that up with Stirling's Badger Knot 24 millimeters, I guess. Almost a little bit small for me, but it works. Matching splash. Razor will be called Schilpier Germany splash Germany razor, Polaris stainless. No, don't know if you can see the label in the blade. Beautiful razor, do the job quite good too. So this little water spray from China. So what's up, guys? In good mood? I am in good mood. We have the last 24 hours a massive snowstorm. Oh my god. Last 24 hours it will be came down 60 centimeters snow. Heavy wind around 20 seconds per meter. It's quite heavy wind. Ain't fun at all. It's dangerous. We'll stop all bus line today. Good decision. So, and have work today. Let's see how it's gonna be tomorrow. It has stopped snowing now, and the wind going down a little bit too, so tomorrow is gonna be cold again. I prefer cold days against this kind of weather. Snowstorm, it's not fun at all. Well, it's winter time, normal. This bottle, I am really satisfied about this bottle. Spread the water perfectly, comparing to drop water into the brush. Oh, not gonna spray the ice, it's not good. I think it's good enough. Yeah, you say so. Good enough. Let's take the first pass. Come on. Shake it a little bit. Yes. I should take one spray more. One more spray. It's going. It's not important to make leather to glide off the blade. Someone think it's when you made a leather to glide off the blade by itself. That's the perfect leather. Yes, I can agree. But the important thing is that you satisfy with your own leather. You're not gonna read it in a book, the rules about the leather. You made the rules by yourself. Second pass. This razor made nice feedback, so it's pretty hard steel on it too. A little bit complicated to hold. Before I take the shower and start shaving, I eat dinner. So I am totally full in my stomach. I made pasta carbonara. I think I have to take some cream on my face after the shave. because skin feels a little bit dry. Just a second. Maybe I'll do it later tonight when the splash is dried out. I should choose a soap set with balm instead. Well guys, that's it. Cold Shelper stands 265. Don't know what that means. Polar stainless razor 6/8. This scales is made by Niklas Gudmundsson. Nice fellow. Stirling BASH and Stirling Badger 24mm Badger, 2 bands. Bash after shave. Nice scent. Not so much burn either. That means the blade edge is sharp enough, I heard. No perfume today in this shave. So that's it guys, 14 minutes. Have a good Thursday and Friday tomorrow, and splendidly good weekend. It's upcoming, I hope. Stay safe and watch out for the snowstorm. We see each other soon again. Bye.